guys, welcome. So today I would be doing a review on Maggie hot heads. I have been looking this for the Maggie hot heads from such a long time, but I could just manage to get it right now. Usually there are four flavors. I'll just let you know, which is green chili, chili chicken, barbecue, and peri peri. And I could manage to get just two of them, which is peri peri and the barbecue pepper noodles. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm already in the kitchen, all set to make the Maggie hot heads. These are the two flavors that I've got, and today me and my sister, we are all set for the challenge and see how hot it is and how hot our heads are gonna be. So yeah, there's a little twist as I would be adding a bit of onions to my Maggie, and yeah, let's go ahead and once it's made and once we all set. Yeah, Maggie is done. This is the peri peri. This looks so spicy and it's so red in color, and the other one is barbecue pepper noodles. This looks yum too, and yeah, all set to try. Guys, we all set. We also have limca. Show your limca. Yay! Okay, all set. Keep it there. Please hold this. My husband is off camera, so he is just a bit conscious. Okay, which one you're trying?
Peri peri.
She's trying peri peri. Yeah, they already showed. So she's trying this one, and I'm trying barbecue pepper noodles. Okay, start. It's spicy. It's spicy. My one almost tastes like Vai Vai. I don't know if you guys know Vai Vai. What is it? Maybe now in Delhi almost everyone knows what Vai Vai is. It's actually a Maggie from northeastern Maggie. It's really nice, and this has quite a lot of pepper taste. It's not that spicy, but I've just taken a bite of it. Maybe I keep on eating and then it gets spicy. Let's try. It's just spicy. It's tasty, no?
Yes.
Now you try mine, I'll try yours. So it's like exchange offer. I'm trying peri peri and she's trying barbecue. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so spicy, guys.
This is not that spicy.
Yeah, it's not that spicy. But you know what? I don't know if you can see or not, guys. But you know this has some chili flakes in it, right?
Yes.
This has more of black pepper. Yeah. This has chili flakes. अच्छा है ना?
One is more spicy.
Yeah. But nice. We just added a bit of onions into it. It's nice, like for a change. But any which ways, old is gold. So we would not get rid of the old Maggie, right?
Yes.
Old Maggie is the best Maggie. You know, सारे एज के लोग खा सकते हैं. It's like खट्टा भी है थोड़ा. सार है ना? टमाटो की वजह से थोड़ा, टमाटर की वजह से थोड़ा खट्टा है. मेरी बिंदी भी गिर गई है मैगी में. शायद इतनी मिर्ची हो गई है. मेरी बिंदी भी गिर गई है मैगी में. And it's nice. थोड़ा मिर्ची है. I don't think so. I would suggest, you know, parents who have small kids, I would not ask you guys to, you know, offer peri peri to your kids. Barbecue is still fine. I would suggest you guys to give barbecue to your kids. I have not tried the green chili, so I can't talk more about it. ये ना? So जोर से बोलो.
धीरे-धीरे खा के मिर्ची लगता है.
हाँ, धीरे-धीरे खा के. I'm telling you, ना, एक bite में नहीं लगता because it's pepper, you know. It's slowly and gradually, you know, it gets onto your tongue and then your palate, and then you tend to get spicy.
But it's tasty.
It's tasty. ये this I would not suggest. ये ठीक है, maybe वो थोड़ा खा सकते हैं. I'm not really sure about this also. But थोड़ा spicy है. If you guys can take bit chili. Depends कि आप उनकी actual वो क्या खाते हैं क्या नहीं खाते हैं. But then yeah, this one is a big no. Peri peri no. Green chili भी मेरे को इतना पता नहीं है. So yeah, you want to try? Huh? Okay, thank you, Ruchi.
Yay, bye.
Bye. Okay guys, so that was all about it. This costed me 20 rupees, I think. I'm not really sure. Let me just see. Yeah, it's 20 rupees, and yeah, it's 20 rupees, and it's really, I think you can just now find it anywhere at your local store, and it says so many things behind. and it's kind of nice if you want to add some capsicum, green chilies, some lemon as shown in the picture. So it all depends on your taste, your palate. So according to me, I've just added some chili. I've just added some onion to it, and yeah, that was all about it. So according to us, it's a big, it's a big yes. Yes, you can definitely go ahead and try. I really liked it, and do let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about it, or if in case you have already tried or you would love to try in the future, please let me know in the comment box below. And if you like this review, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And that was all about it. Bye. Let me enjoy my Maggie.